Step 4 is documenting your work experience. You will need to supply documentation of 3,000 hours for each industry sector you want to list on your CTE credential. You should list any and all industry sectors you qualify for on your initial preliminary application to avoid additional fees later. Just remember to supply documentation of 3,000 hours for each one. On step 4, there is a document linked, the CL888. It gives you details on page 3 and 4 of the definition of work experience and examples of documents that support your work experience. It can be paid, unpaid, full-time, part-time, volunteer, as long as it meets the requirements of the CTC. If you have self-employment experience, you'll need to write a statement detailing that. Think of your statement as a resume and be specific with dates and duties. With your statement of self-employment, you'll need to submit letters of support done by people that can verify your resume of experience. That's highlighted here on page 4. Some examples of these would be your accountant, if you raise animals, your vet or hay feed supplier. If you have a business, you can submit a copy of your business license as a supporting document as well. It cannot be a spouse or a relative that is verifying your experience. The CTC does have a recency requirement that must be met, and it's detailed on page 4 here. At least 1 year of the required work experience must be within the last 5 years or 2 years within the last 10 years, immediately preceding the issuance of the credential. So please make note of that and make sure that the experience you are submitting meets that recency requirement. This document also details the 15 different industry sectors that are available for CTE credentials and the different pathways and specific occupations. Please read through there because your experience can sometimes fall into more than one sector, and we'll need to look at which ones best apply.